Welcome to NCMPR 2026 in our nation's capital. What's your name, the school that you worked for, and what do you look most forward to while being here in Washington?
My name is John Watson. I'm a video producer director from Montgomery College, which is right here in a suburb of Washington, D.C. And I think I'm looking forward to just talking to people and seeing some of the ideas that other people are doing in social media and getting interacted with students and so forth. It's right up our alley.
That keynote was great yesterday.
Yes, he was very entertaining. I actually had looked him up after we were done because I sort of thought I recognized him, but then I looked him up and it was very funny.
How long have you been at Montgomery College?
This will be my 25th year.
25th year. How did you find your way into the community college marketing world?
Well, I was doing just traditional other video editing for other places when I came out of college, a lot of freelance work and that kind of thing. And then I went to work for the county government and did a little editing for them. And then I was basically recruited by somebody who worked at the college, who basically stole me from there. And this was way back before there was, any kind of social media. So yeah, the evolution has been interesting.
It has. It definitely has. What do you love most about working for a community college?
I like working with the students just in general. It's the main reason I like to come to work, to be honest with you. And I think we get an interesting cross-section of students. They come from all over the world, so I think that's really, really interesting. And also, you get a variety of things to do. My job is not, Monday through Friday, the same thing.
Right.
So, and, sometimes you're out doing one thing, sometimes you're doing a live thing, sometimes you're doing something else, so it's kind of fun.
Since you're doing video, what's one of the recent projects that you're most proud of?
Well, late last year, we did a live program out of our studio that I directed. It was called 24-Hour Live, and every time zone had a school that was contributing 1 hour of live content, and we were selected as the East Coast school. We were the only community college to participate in this thing.
Wow.
We did a panel discussion. One of our students hosted it. We rolled in some content that the students created in their classroom, in their classes, just to showcase the work.
Sure.
It was a great way to get the word out.
Yes.
It was a great project.
That's awesome. What are the channels that you use to distribute those videos, and which of those channels work best?
I believe that one went out on YouTube pretty much worldwide, but it was a kind of a closed system.
Okay.
But we took the individual clips and then we put them on various, they were longer form. Like our section was an hour long, so it didn't really work on something like TikTok.
Yeah.
But it worked really okay on YouTube.
Yeah, and smart of repurposing it and making the short form video clips there.
100%. And we also, the other thing we're doing is we just started our podcast studio. And my colleague Carolina, she has a Spanish language podcast that I helped her get going. And she's found great success with that, both as a podcast, RSS feed, but also on YouTube.
Very good. Last question.
Sure.
What impact are you most proud of over the span of your 25 years?
Impacts. I would say the success we've had with our student interns and the work that we've gotten them in the job. We have a tremendous success rate of students who come in and they get real hands-on practical. We're taking them with us on shoots and showing them, and they've gone on. We've got somebody who works running the Detroit Lions, a scoreboard electronic system there. Just all over. So I think their success is our success.
Yes.
In my opinion.
Yes, absolutely. Well, John, thank you so much for your time.
Great.
Enjoy the rest of the conference
Thank you.
have a good one.
Thank you very much.
You bet.